Now, I hope you are able to see this. Once you click on the navigator, you will be able to see this one. Okay, this will pop up. So, do you want me to sign in,
No,
couple?
no, no. You can close this one.
Okay,
Yeah,
I am
yeah.
closing
In
it.
this, if you have VS Code installed, if you just this screen itself. Yeah, no, no worry. I mean, just you can directly scroll. No need to choose any other options. Yeah, slowly scroll. Do you? Okay. I think you will have VS. You should have VS Code in this. Yeah, this. Yeah, you can. Yeah, just click on this launch. That's it.
Okay, so I just wanted to make easy for everybody. You can go here, installed application. I think you can see here VS Code. So in the installed application, you should be able to see VS Code. Here in the drop down, you can see all application that will give you a lot of things. Don't do that. Click on installed. And then obviously you should have VS Code installed in your laptop. If it is not there, like Yash, Amarjit, and if you do not have VS Code, then we need to do this before installing Anaconda, because I have it, but most of the students will not have it, right, Kapil?
Yeah, yeah. I mean, you have to install it.
Before Anaconda. So the first step here, guys, first step is here. First install VS Code, then Anaconda install, using which um, link I will give the link here. I'll paste these steps in the chat window. Sorry, not in the chat window, but
Slack.
in the Slack channel, guys. Okay. So now I'm not able to get this type button. Anaconda download by this one. Okay. Third step, click on download. Okay.
Skip registration
Skip
and
registration and download the software. Fourth, click on executable and install it. Fifth, search for Anaconda Navigator and search for VS
VS
Code.
Code.
Okay, this is a step, guys. I'll give here. You can do it by your.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.